My name is Ervin Wiskow, and the car is a 1956 Mercury, and it's got 45,000 miles on it.
Wow.
And it still runs pretty darn good.
Is the motor original, or has it been rebuilt, or do you know? 40,000 miles, it might be the original still.
It is all the original as far as I can tell, and it runs good, and I don't ever plan on doing anything to it other than driving it.
Now, how long have you owned this car, sir?
Just a little over a year.
Okay. And is this the original radio still on the dash there?
Yep, it's the original radio. It's got a CB down here.
Okay, and I see something very unusual. Even in a restored car, the clock is actually working. Wow. And I'm taking it that that's the original analog clock too.
Yeah.
Very nice. And there's the radio we were talking about. AM only. That's the way it was in the day.
Yeah. That it was.
Okay, I'm going to walk around the outside, and if you wouldn't mind opening the hood, would you mind doing that for us?
I'll do that.
So here you go, guys and gals. This is a 1956 Mercury Monterey, and this thing is beautiful. And I'll walk you around here. You see this one has the Continental kit on it, and it has the dual exhaust coming out through just underneath the bumper. Lots of chrome on these old ones. You gotta love these spinner hubcaps and classic Mercury taillights. Look at those smooth lines. 56. Oh wow, look at that. There you are, guys and gals. That's a beauty of a motor right there. Yes, sirree. Very nice. Back in the day when things were simple and easy to fix if they needed to be.
Just a little over a year.
Oh. So was it like this when you bought it, or you've been working on it?
Well, I've been working on it, but pretty much like this.
Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. Would you mind starting it for us?
What?
Yeah, I can do that. You know, it's been
Great.
started up.
Ah. How many miles is it on?
43,000. It's just about broke in.
Yeah.
That, guys and gals, that's beautiful. Let me take you around the back so you can hear the beautiful exhaust note coming out the tailpipes. Oh yeah, that is real class, real class. And the interior is all really nice and got the original stainless steel, and the handles and the armrests. Very, very nice. Very nice. And one last thing before I let you all go. Look at that hood ornament. Where did you ever see a hood ornament like that on any modern car? Huh? They don't make them like that anymore. This baby is ready to take off.
Is it yours or
Thank you for watching.
fight over it? Oh, it's good.